Hello and welcome back to the SideHustlr YouTube channel. This video will be super helpful to all the folks looking for a side hustle to make some extra cash. Let's be honest, full-time jobs are hectic and time-consuming. And with the crippling economy, most of us don't have a lot of savings available. Thankfully, 2022 is all about side hustles and working from home. Side gigs are more accessible than you think. And no, I will not talk about those sketchy TikTok ads. I'm here to tell you about authentic websites and sources from which you can make extra cash. Ready to hear more? Well, strap in. This video is all about the 3 best side gigs online. Starting with number 3, we have tutoring, which is like babysitting. Everyone has done it at some point. Every high school student has tutored someone at some point. I know I have. Education is a big part of our social construct, and students sometimes need help. Tutoring other students is another great way of making some extra cash. There are many crash courses on different topics, and you may be guilty of seeing them at 3 a.m. on a school night. Don't deny it. After the massive success of the YouTube channel Crash Course, multiple teaching websites have picked up the trend. They are now offering crash courses on both traditional and skill-based methods. For all of my degree-holding viewers, many of these sites and YouTube channels constantly seek experts on many topics. All you have to do is apply. Personalized tutoring is more like home tutoring than typical online crash courses. Several students and parents look for tutors and teachers to help them or their kids with a few or all classes. This is an excellent option for people looking for a more interactive teaching approach. Personalized online tutoring is preferred, especially nowadays, due to online classes, as the students get to ask questions in real time. We have all had times when we are frivolously searching on the internet a day before an exam for anything that'll help us pass it. That's where most of us stumbled across the world of online academics. Khan Academy, Global Online Academy, and Learners Academy are all online academies that students are familiar with. These academies have tons of videos on a lot of different topics to help students all around the world. And they are well-paying too. Just visit the website of any of these academies, see if they have any positions open, and apply. Content creation has seen the most significant boost in the last decade. Everyone is on social media. Subsequently, many companies have moved most of their advertisement investment online. This is why it's our number 2 pick. If you have watched our other videos, you already know where this is going. YouTubers can make a substantial income from the ads shown on their videos. Even as annoying as ads are, they usually help your favorite YouTube creators make money to provide you with more content. If you are on YouTube or are thinking of starting a channel, you should go for it. Build an audience by sharing your talents or passions, and Google AdSense will take care of generating you money. Most of us are avid users of Instagram, and companies see that. You must have come across several sponsored posts or ads. These posts are paid by companies to be shown to a specific audience. This is how it works. If companies like your page or your feed, they will contact you and offer to pay you for a sponsored post. All you'll have to do is talk about the product, and that's it. Talk about easy money. Blogging has been the Beyoncé of all side gigs. It has been around for 2 whole decades and is still going strong. Blogging is one of the foolproof side hustles that can easily rake in some cash for you. Blogging is basically getting paid for rambling on about stuff you like. How cool is that? With website building becoming very easy, you can quickly set up a blogging site, and with time, like-minded people will find, read, and share their thoughts on your site. Once you get enough traffic to your blog, you can begin monetizing your blog by adding affiliate links to other companies or your own dropshipping product stores. Be sure to subscribe, as we'll soon have new videos discussing affiliate marketing and dropshipping. Now for our pick at number 1, freelancing. Yes, freelancing will always be the number 1 side hustle, and I will die on this hill. Nothing says quick and easy money than freelancing. You won't have a boss constantly on your back, nosy colleagues, or a 9-to-5 hustle. Just you, your laptop, and a deadline. The most common freelancing job is content writing. Many clients on many freelancing platforms are looking to hire someone to create content for various niches, from parenting tips to digital marketing. You can put your degree or self-taught knowledge to good and well-paying use. This next freelancing job is an underrated one. Not only regular people, but freelancing communities themselves don't realize how fruitful proofreading is. Now, I know it doesn't seem like much, but proofreaders can earn quite a bit. All sorts of documents need to be proofread, such as business proposals, literature manuscripts, or research papers. You can use your reading and comprehension expertise by proofreading and earn up to $300 a day. Freelancing photography is also an entertaining side hustle, especially if photography is your hobby. Just like Peter Parker, you too can affiliate yourself with some local newspaper or work for clients who need weddings, special events, or corporate events photographed. This is it for this video, folks. The top 3 gigs to make money online. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thanks to the internet, side hustles are easy and doable. Comment below if you find these helpful or in case you have any questions, and I'll see you again in the following video.